Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use reflexive pronouns. But first, do you want to speak English fluently without hesitation or translation? Check out the course by Adam and Tuan on Skillshare. Right now, you can get a free 1-month premium membership. Just click the link in the description. In English, we use 8 reflexive pronouns. They are myself, himself, herself, yourself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Let's look at an example. Let's look at this situation. So here we can say, he introduced her. In this sentence, he is the subject and her is the object. The subject and the object are different, so we use a normal pronoun. Now let's look at this example. Here we would say, she introduced herself, or we could say, he introduced himself, and we could also say, they introduced themselves. Now in this situation, the subject and the object are the same person. So when the subject and the object are the same, we use a reflexive pronoun. Let's look at some more examples. She is looking at him. He is looking at her. He is looking at himself. She is talking to herself. He hurt himself playing football. She is learning how to protect herself. We also use reflexive pronouns to emphasize a person did or does something without help. Tommy made the robot himself. His parents didn't help at all. He fixed his phone himself. Mia's husband is lazy. She has to do everything herself. All right, it's quiz time. Try to make a sentence using a reflexive pronoun. They introduced themselves. He is looking at himself. She is talking to herself. He hurt himself playing football. Tommy made the robot himself. He fixed his phone himself. Thanks for watching. Try to make a sentence in the comments using a reflexive pronoun. And don't forget to subscribe.